October 5, 2019. I have got a chance for the very first time in my life to speak in a public event and share my own story. And the event went wonderful. Years passed away, but the place always remained in my heart. And it is one of the most beautiful and iconic historical structure in the center, in the heart of Udine city, Piazza della Libertà. Piazza Libertà shows many different architectures. Every different architectures that which coexist in perfect harmony, telling almost many different stories. The stories that have intertwined in Udine, a border city where naturally peoples, historical events, and cultures met. There are several monuments in the raised part of the embankment, the column of 1539 with the line of St. Mark, and then later it reconstructed in 1883 and it was become the Serenissima. The column with the Statue of Justice built in 1614, the 17th century statue of Hercules and Cacus with the line of St. Mark, Serenissima of Venice shows complete domination and power of the city.